Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to add Snapseed application on your device. For that, first of all, you have to launch App Store on your device. Then, tap on the searching gear icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, on the top, search for Snapseed. Now tap on the app labeled with Snapseed. Then there you will see download button or get button. Simply tap on that. Now your app will start to download. It may take some time depending on your internet connection speed. Once the application is downloaded, there you will see open button. Tap on that. And that was it. You have successfully downloaded and installed Snapseed application on your device. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.